Welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt. So I hope you are good. So today video agenda is what is Sandbox and its type, and what is Sandbox and its type related to these things like which sandbox, which scenario used, and which sandbox, how many capacity and how many refreshing they it's have. So let's get started. So what is Sandbox first of all? So Sandbox nothing but Sandbox. Sandbox nothing but Sandbox is a copy of your production organization. Means Sandbox is a copy of your production environment. Suppose that you're running business in sky, in fly, and you can copy this type of production data into the our sandbox. So it's a copy, just like a copy, carbon copy, like that. So just it's a copy of production environment. You can create multiple copy of your organization in separate environments for different purpose, such as a uh, development, testing, training, without compromising the data and application in your production organization. Means you can create separate environment to develop Salesforce application with separate sandboxes, like development, testing purpose and training purpose, without compromising your data. Without data you can do this type of sandboxes in your org. So come to the next point, types of sandboxes. Types of sandboxes, first of all, let me explain this developer sandbox. So what is developer sandbox? Developer sandbox nothing but is a sandbox, and come to this picture, you can see developer sandbox, and this developer sandbox used to business analytics build app, and with metadata. Metadata means data about data, and is contained like XML file and JSON file also. So it's contain the only 1 day refresh time. You can see here only 1 day refresh time, and no production data. It doesn't contain any production data, and the capacity of this sandbox is only 200 MB. This is the developer sandbox, this one. So come to the next sandbox. Just give me a second. Okay, so second sandbox means developer pro sandbox. Developer pro sandbox, like you can see, pick this one, and developer sandbox nothing but programmers and developer full-time admins build the metadata. Means you can build your metadata also in production pro, sorry, developer pro. And this developer pro contain only 1 day refresh time, and also doesn't contain any production data also. Okay, and its capacity is only 1 GB capacity. This is developer pro. And come to the third one is partial copy sandbox. Partial copy sandbox means fast refresh time with sample production data. Means fast execution and fast refresh time. You can refresh your sandboxes within your, and it's very less time you can do this process without affecting any production environment. So come to the refreshing time, means this 5 day refresh time. You can refresh your sandbox for 5 days. Sample production data, it contains sample production data, but come to the other this doesn't contain any sample data, but it's contains sample data. Its capacity is 5 GB capacity. Sandbox template also. Other features is Sandbox template. And come to the final and last sandboxes is full copy. Full copy sandboxes. Full copy sandboxes means all your metadata and production data. It's contain everything related to the these drawback of three sandboxes. This one, it's completely feature wise come in this full copy sandboxes. Okay, and the refreshing time is 29 days. Copies production data, production size, and sandbox template. Okay guys, this video is enough for this knowledge for type of sandboxes and what is the sandboxes. So thank you guys for your support and your valuable time, and thank you guys. Be safe, stay your home. Jai Hind.